Tuloy agad. Kasi saute lang naman to. So, may ano ko dyan, pechay. Ano ba ito? Chinese pechay. Sitsaro. Tengang daga. Mushroom. Bell pepper. Yan lang. Hindi naman masyadong madami kailangan kasi hindi makakain si mama. Si Pedro kakain niya konti lang. For this love, hindi, Goya, like seasoning. 4 cubes. So, sa atin, 4 cubes to.
Cube form or powder form?
Pero powder form itong ginamit ko. Hindi cubes. Yan. Konti lang din.
I think we should make all of them.
Ha? All?
All the ribs. You're gonna eat, I'm gonna eat, you might eat.
Oh, yeah. Can you put that nalablaw here?
Yeah.
These 3?
Yeah.
Then, lagyan natin siya ng paminta. Paminta namin McCormick na black. Kasi to be here. Naglagay ako yung ibang crispy. Hindi ko nilagay yung kay mama at kay Pedro. Akin lang to. You don't want your ribs here, right?
Huh?
You don't want your ribs here?
No. You're fine. Well, maybe. Maybe because of the taste of the vegetables. But not right now. So the first one is roast, right?
Tikman natin to.
You said roast.
So, lalagyan na natin ng sugar para may...
How many minutes you put it, the roast?
Huh?
How many minutes? 35 minutes?
35. Oh, yeah. 35.
And the temperature?
360. Kanton na pansit. Kasi yung beef mix nito, ginamit ko. So, para magamit natin to. Ilagay natin dun sa gulay. Yeah, no, you can
I get cabbage in here? Cabbage?
Oh, I don't like cabbage.
Oh, you don't know?
Yeah, but you can have this also, labo.
Just a few.
Yeah.
Just throw in a few.
This is good down.
Okay,
That,
thank you.
and you
Red
can
pepper?
eat this bell pepper.
Thank you, that's it.
No, wait.
Okay.
This is important too.
Is that mushroom?
No, it's not mushroom.
Okay,
It's,
that's it, I got a lot of beans.
So guys, ito na yung food natin. Oh, so good guys. Pansit canton. Pero sauce ko yan. Tapos yung vegetable, meron dyang mushroom, bell pepper, sitsaro, meron siyang Chinese pechay. Ito yung ribs natin. Ito naman yung kay Pedro, sitsaro. Kasi hindi siya nakain ng mushroom. Sitsaro, fried rice. Yung ano niya, yung ribs na barbecue. Pero hindi ko sinama doon sa pagluluto ng pansit ko. From here kasi, niluto niya na. I mean, nilagay niya ng barbecue sauce. Ito yung barbecue. Ito yung talagang known here na barbecue sauce nila. So, timplado na siya. Masarap siya. So, yan na. Meron pa kami nakasalang dyan na 3 pieces. Kasi si Gordo kakain din. Tapos nakasalang sa akin bread. White bread. So good. Thank you, Lord. Hindi kami nag-almusal. Bale, eto na, brunch na to. So, drinks niya. Ako kape. Kape. Tinimpla niya ang kape. I feel that, feeling ko kumakain kami sa labas.